Hello friends, welcome to Tech Zone. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, comment and share. Click on like button. Let's move on to the video. In this video, we see about the features and full specification and working of Redmi Note 10T 5G smartphone. Redmi Note 10T 5G smartphone first look. About the performance, chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G, operating system is Android 11 and distribution of graphics will be Mali G77 MC2 and RAM will be 4GB and 6GB. RAM type will be LPDDR4X. About the display type will be IPS LCD and the screen size will be 6.5 inches and resolution will be 1080 to 2400 pixels. Aspect ratio will be 20:9 and pixel density will be 405 ppi and protection we have Gorilla Glass 3 and refresh rate will be 90 Hz. About the design, a dimension will be 161.8 into 75.4 into 8.9 mm and built will be glass front and Gorilla Glass 3 plastic back and plastic frame. Weight will be 190 grams and the screen, yes, we have capitated the screen. About the colors, we have four colors. We have four colors: metallic blue, mint green, white color, and graphite black. About the launch date and the price. About the launch date and the price, launched on July 20, 2021 and price is 31,999 for 4GB RAM with 64GB and rupees 15,999 for 6GB RAM with 128GB. About the camera setup, beautiful camera, 48 MP front of 1.88 primary camera, 2 MP front of 2.4 micro camera, 2 MP of front 2.4 depth camera, flash, yes, we have LED flash. Flash, yes, we have LED flash. Image resolution will be 1080 to 2400 pixels. About the selfie camera setup with single camera, resolution will be 8 MP front of 2.0 wide angle camera. About the battery capacity will be 5000 mAh battery will low. Quick charging it supports, yes, and we have 18 volts and USB type, yes, with 2.0. About the storage, internal memory will be 64GB and 128GB and expandable memory, no. About the network and connectivity, SIM slot will be a dual SIM GSM plus GSM and SIM size will be SIM 1 will be nano, SIM 2 is also nano. Network supported will be 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G and VoLTE network. About the Wi-Fi 802.11 Wi-Fi features mobile hotspot and Bluetooth V5.1 and GPS, yes, with eGPS and NFC. No, we have a USB type C 2.0. For the multimedia, we have a loudspeakers, yes, and FM radio is also supported, yes, and auto jack with 3.5 mm. About the sensors, fingerprint sensors we have, yes, and fingerprint sensor position is on the side mounted, and other sensors supported in the phone is light sensor, IR sensors, proximity sensors, accelerometer, and compact sensors. Thank you for watching the videos. For more videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, take care and be safe.